Today we'll be showing you how to measure for a grip fit roller blind. First of all, we'll check we have a solid recess to mount the grip fit blind. Knock on either side of a recess to check it isn't hollow. To measure our width accurately, we're going to use a guide card to measure the recess width. The guide card or credit card usually has a width of 54mm. Place your guide card at the top of the recess and strike a line using a pencil. Now we'll measure from the left-hand side of the recess to the line we've just drawn. We measure to the line because bending the tape into the corner can cause a mismeasure. Note the measurement down from the left-hand side to the pencil mark and add on your 54mm from the guide card measurement. For example, our measurement to the line is 1046 plus 54 gives us an overall width of 1100mm. Now we can measure the drop of the blind. Again, note down the measurement in millimetres, and that's how to measure for your grip fit blind.